Hi friends, it's Lael with Lael by Mail. I thought I'd pop on after the first 5 days of my December daily this month and do a quick flip through so you can see what my project is looking like now that I've been working on it. Many of you all started out with the same base project if you purchased my 2022 December documented mini book project kit. But I always, when December arrives, like to switch things up a little bit in order to make the project more my own. So here we go. I do, as of today, it is the 8th of December, 2022. I still have a handful of the project kits left. So I have included a link to those in the description box of the video down below. In addition to everything that comes in the kit, that also gives you access to a I think it's almost a 5-hour video of the class as I work on the project and with you, and we kind of create alongside each other step by step. So here we go. There is the completed cover, including some stickles on Santa's little uniform, his suit, his Santa suit, and then a cotton ball for his little beard to give a little bit of added dimension there. We'll go ahead and untie the ribbon as we move to the inside. I will be coming back and actually completing this page after the 25th. So part of that is holiday favorites, the things that make our spirits bright. So I will be kind of recapping a few things here. And then I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do there. I think I will probably maybe put maybe a hero shot or one of my favorite photos from the holiday season right there. Then that moves us into the daily part of the project. So for my day one, I have created a couple of different shaker pockets. This is a 2x2 pocket page, and I used the We Are Memory Keepers fuse tool to fuse or seal those pockets closed. So all those little fun things that are inside the pocket do not fall out. I have included a link in the description box of the video to my blog and the December daily posts on my blog. So I go into each of these days or pages a little bit more in depth, and also include links to the products I've used if you're looking for anything that I've used. A cute little tag here that slides into the pocket. And then pretty much everything is on top of the pocket there. Also a little shaker with some gold strands of string, little teeny ones. And then as we go over to the back side. So that is my first part of day one. And then the second part of day one. So I've just included a photo of all 15. This is year 15 for me doing this project. All 15 years of my December daily projects lined up. And then the little house advent kind of metal tin that I use every year to put together, kind of gather a lot of the goodies that I plan on using. A fun little Allie Edwards December daily star there, and then some red vellum numbers. Again, I've included a link in the description box of the video down below to my blog, which has each of the days that I am showing, along with links to the products that I have used. So for the second, we had some friends over and watched the Pac-12 championship football game. Everyone that was there, we are University of Utah alumni, and very excited to say that University of Utah won that championship game against USC Trojans, and we are going to the Rose Bowl for the second year in a row. So very excited about that. So this spread is just kind of talking about that. There is a little pocket here. So this photo I just snagged from the internet. It's a little bit stuck there. Well, it's stuck to the side of my pocket. So, there we go. I just snagged that from the internet, saved it to my phone, and printed it out. I thought that was a really fun, that's kind of a celebration after the game, after Utah won. Little pocket here and some embellishments on top, including that chipboard number. And then I added a couple of tags inside that pocket with a little bit of journaling, and then some more of that gold, really thin string attached to the top of those tags. On the back side, also snagged this from the internet, from the University of Utah website, so that I just printed out as a photo and adhered to the back of that pocket. For the third, I included an overlay. So that overlay page already had "Oh, what fun" pre-printed on it. I adhered a Christmas tree sticker, then with a gold chipboard number 3 on top. Underneath, this tells the story of the third. My husband and I went to a holiday party with some friends, and we got all dressed up. And then the photos I took while we were there, horrible. They turned out so badly, I couldn't put in my book. So when we got home after midnight, we stood in front of the tree. Our TV is kind of, the background to our TV is shining there in the photo, but there we are, and that's after many hours of dancing and having fun. But that was just kind of a fun little festive page, little tab sticker there that says "Feeling Festive." The back side of that, another pocket. So this is actually a 2-layer pocket. I have included photos from the 4th. The 4th is our son Sam's birthday. And so every year in my December daily albums for the last 15 years, that's always what I'm focusing on the 4th. And I always do a photo of Sam in front of what we like to call in our family the birthday door. So I've been doing this since our boys were little. The night before their birthday, normally, I'll explain that in a minute, but the night before their birthday, when they're little, after they've gone to bed, we decorate their bedroom door like a giant birthday present. So we take wrapping paper, and it's from the top to the bottom, add a bow, and then tape all kinds of little goodies to the front of the door. Well, Sam is on his own. He lives with a friend in his own apartment. And so I don't go to his house to decorate his bedroom door. He comes over for dinner on his birthday, and we decorate different doors in our house for him. So that was kind of fun. And picture of him with 2 cakes. We bought one for him, and then his girlfriend made one for him. So there we go. Those things are going right into, those photos are going right into that double layered pocket. And that takes us to the last day of this particular flip through. And this is the 5th. So for the 5th, I made a giant shaker pocket. I took a 6x8 pocket page, added more of that gold. Basically, the way I do that gold, it's just gold string, and I separate each of the little strands that are part of the string. And then put that inside the pocket page. Again, sealed the top of that with the fuse. On top, added that really large felt star. I just love that. And then an acrylic number from Color Cast Designs. So that is kind of the front of the 5th. And then I took advantage of the real estate on the back of the star for my journaling. So I just traced that star onto a piece of white grid pattern paper and adhered a sticker, and then did my little journaling right there. And then we have full-size photo of our family room. And my journaling talks about just how much I love walking into our family room this time of year, because you have the neutral colors, the green and the off-white, and then the view out the window and the beautiful snow-covered mountains. And then you can see even kind of the snow peak, the snow-capped mountain up there at the top. So there we have it. That is days 1 through 5 in this year's 2022 December daily album. And I will be back after day 10 with another flip through. Again, I've included a link to the project kit. I still have some available in the description box of the video down below, as well as a link to my blog where you can see a closer look at each of those pages, along with a write-up of what I did and links to the different products I used. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.